as we've reported over and over again, the coronavirus is very contagious, especially in close quarters. So you can imagine the situation right now in the correctional facilities and jails and prisons. Here in South Florida and around the country, there's a focus in Broward County after the death of an inmate, and Ted Scouten reports how some people took to the streets to protest that.
More than 24 cars taking part in a mobile protest, blowing horns and yelling chants while passing by the Broward State Attorney's office and the jail.
You have not been forgotten. Free them all.
Protesters are rallying for inmates, wanting many of them released from jail for fear of COVID-19. Already, 8 inmates have tested positive, and 1 with health problems died.
COVID-19 in jail is a death sentence. It's a death sentence to men and women that were never sentenced to death. There is no social distancing in jails and prison.
The Broward State Attorney's Office said it began reducing the jail population last month and holds hours-long daily hearings to decrease the number of inmates.
We've been basically reviewing the cases of 50 to 60 people a night, and most of those have been released, and that's, a significant number.
BSO tells us on March 9th, 3,487 people were in the Broward County Jail. A month later, that number went down to 3,025, reducing the population by 462 people, and the effort continues.
We've been reviewing anyone that can reasonably, keeping in mind the safety of the public, be released.
And countywide, police and BSO are arresting fewer people, a conscious effort to keep the jail population down.
We've taken more of a responsibility in issuing out criminal citations, notice to appear, which help that reduction.
Free them all. People should not die in jail because they are too poor to post bond.
Prosecutors tell us there's no way everyone's getting out, and even in the midst of the protest, we saw more people being brought in. But the state attorney's office says they, along with the sheriff and chief judge, are working to get the population down even more.
Those hearings to reduce the jail population will continue happening daily, at least for the foreseeable future. In Fort Lauderdale, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.